As the next and third part of our tutorial, we will take a closer look at the fields of geological structures, in particular geological fault systems, and mineral raw materials and minerals. The bibliography on this subject already provides an initial overview of geological structures. The individual source references are linked to the OPAC, the Open Access Catalog or online library. Associated PDFs are also partially available for download. Back to the fault systems, we can navigate from the start page or select a term or concept using the search. So we landed at the Vienna Basin fault system and see that this is part of a large-scale fault system. This Murmurs Vienna Basin large-scale fault system comprises of 14 individual faults, as we can see in the network diagram. The map download application selects all of these 14 faults from a web map service and shows them in orange on a topographic map of Austria. There we could select a single fault and see the descriptions in the thesaurus. However, now we want to download the entire large-scale fault system as a SHAPA file and process it further in a geographic information system. A CSV file is supplied in case the thesaurus text strings are too long for a SHAPA file, that means 255 characters. In geographic information systems, for example QGIS or ArcMap, this data can be used to create maps or images. Back in the thesaurus, then we search for energy or raw materials in the topic mineral raw materials and see that this selection basically includes oil, gas and coal deposits. The map view now shows all relevant deposits and deposits from our IRIS, the GBA's interactive raw material information system. Red dots mean that the raw material you are looking for is a main component. In the pop-up window, there are links to the online descriptions of the IRIS raw material districts and links to the actual IRIS web application, where geological background information can also be viewed. Just like with the fault systems, we are now also copying the energy resources into our GIS application. All attributes of the map data as well as the thesaurus are possible for the selection of the labeling. Finally, we take a look at the topic of minerals, where we select all phosphates minerals, for example, and transfer them to our geographic information system with the map data. Here, too, the red dots are to be understood as occurrences with the main component of phosphates. I hope that with this 15-minute video I was able to give you a comprehensive overview of the advanced uses of the GBA Thesaurus. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact our Thesaurus editorial team.